The wait is over. Days after the launch of the Huawei P40 series of smartphones, Honor has now gone ahead and launched its flagships for 2020. Much like Huawei, Honor too has announced 3 new smartphones, the Honor 30, Honor 30 Pro and Honor 30 Pro Plus. The 3 devices have been announced in China and feature a similar design, with an OLED display plastered on top with a punch-hole camera up front. The 3 also feature a rectangular camera setup at the back. The Honor 30 phones have been launched in the company's home country in multiple variants. For the Honor 30, the phone has been announced to be made available in 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage and is priced at CNY 2,999. The Honor 30 Pro is available in 2 variants, with the entry variant coming in with 8GB plus 128GB RAM and storage, priced at CNY 3999. The second variant with 8GB plus 256GB RAM and storage is priced at CNY 4399. The top-of-the-line Honor 30 Pro Plus starts at CNY 4,999 for the base variant, which brings 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The beefier 12GB plus 256GB variant has been announced to retail at CNY 5499. All 3 Honor 30 smartphones will be available starting April 21st. 2 of the 3 devices are powered by the flagship Kirin 995G SoC, based on a 7nm process, with the Honor 30 getting a Kirin 985 SoC. The phones also differ in cameras and the display department. The Honor 30 comes with a 6.53-inch OLED display with 1080p FHD+ resolution. The Honor 30 Pro and Pro Plus models feature a 6.57-inch curved OLED display with the same resolution. However, the Pro Plus comes with a higher 90Hz refresh rate panel and 180Hz touch sampling rate. The camera setup is the other big point of differentiation between them, with the Honor 30 Pro Plus getting a 50-megapixel UltraVision IMX700 sensor, while the Honor 30 Pro getting a 40-megapixel IMX600 primary sensor. Apart from this, the Honor 30 Pro and 30 Pro Plus shares the 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and 50x zoom telephoto camera with OIS. For selfies, there is a 32MP primary front camera, along with an 8MP super wide-angle secondary camera. The Honor 30 also gets a quad rear camera setup with a 40-megapixel primary camera, along with a 50x telephoto camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Interestingly, all the models get the same 4000 mAh battery, with 40W fast wired charging. However, the Honor 30 Pro Plus, being the flagship, also gets support for 27W fast wireless charging as well.